Hello everybody again. This is what I have been doing since I watched the ball game and then I come back. I heated the oven for 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I put a little, a parchment paper on the bottom of this pan. I put this pan in the oven at 450 degrees. Get it nice hot. And then I put the dough in the hot pan, this pan, and then I cook it for 30 minutes. A little more, a little less, depending on your stove. And it'll come out looking just like this. Isn't that a beautiful, bella, bellissimo. Okay, then I let it cool, and it's very, very good. Now this one, I freeze it one, and I make it another one over here to show you how much a nice loaf this is. Very nice loaf. See this? Very nice. Now when I put this in the first 30 minutes, I put a cover on it. You could put this and don't have a cover, so I'm a improvisio. I put a baker sheet pan on the top for the first 30 minutes. And then after that, I take it out, I cook another, make it a nice a golden brown. You can see it, golden brown. Mamma mia. It's a golden brown. I take my word for it. I may be Siciliano, but I no lie. And I no shoot anybody. Yet. Okay. So that's finished, and this is what I look like. This is very, very nice. So when you put this in the pan the first time around, you gotta spread a little piccolo flour, and you do that because it's so sticky. Mamma mia, capito sticky. That capito understand. So and then it comes out just like this. I already eat last night. I make one loaf and then I make another loaf. I have a breakfast. I make a toast. Very good. Okay, I think I'm done. Now, this is my first video on Vincenzo's How to Stay Out of the Kitchen video series of 1, episode of 1. How to make the bread without the knead. No need bread. You love the bread, you do need the bread, but you don't need the bread when you cook the bread. You only need the bread when you wanted the bread, which means you needed the bread because you wanted the bread, and then you eat the bread. Okay, this next time I make a little different bread. I'm gonna make Italian piccolo rolls, a little round dump of rolls. For dinner rolls, that I think they call. Yeah, okay. Grazie mille. Thank you very much for watching. I come and see you again sometime soon. I'm gonna stay out of the kitchen until I come back and do something else. For the next 100 years, my wife is gonna do the cooking and I'm gonna do the eating. Cause this kitchen stuff, that's no suit me. I like to be outdoors, and I don't mean outdoors to cook on the grill, because that's just as bad as being in the kitchen. Okay, grazie mille again. Ciao, arrivederci. Have a good one, and I see you soon. Maybe if I'm not here, maybe I see you in heaven. Who knows? Ciao.